Good morning. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. I am your playground guide, Johnny Juan Ortiz. Hey, listen, today, guys, we're going to go back to why we started this. And we're going to be focusing on real estate professionals. Now, again, these concepts are going to apply to so many people, right? Because we started with real estate professionals, then we grew into financial advisors, insurance salespeople. Some of you guys reached out to me from the great beyond, and you guys asked about entrepreneurship. And so we started looking into it. And guess what? All of these things that we're teaching, all these principles that we're teaching are universal, almost a plug and play. So welcome to the show. Hey, listen, in the comments section, tell me something good, something awesome that's happening in your life right now. I want to share it. I want to hear about it. I want to rejoice with you. Some of the things that we recently started in one of our groups is sharing wins. And what I love about that is that people are able to bring their wins, big or small, and we're able to celebrate all of those together. But today on this show, something to smile about Saturday, we're going to be talking about why most real estate professionals, why most realtors stay broke even when they're good. I had the good fortune of spending this past week in the Dallas Fort Worth area, one of the areas that we're starting to grow in our business. And my buddy Chad had a shirt on that said "Stop working broke." You know exactly who I'm talking to, guys. I'm telling you. Here's the thing: whenever we think about that, I just simply have to ask you a question: why? In the comment section, why do some realtors sell 40 deals a year, but others struggle to close four? I mean, I've seen the stats. You guys have made, if you're in the real estate profession, or even in the business world, you realize that some people just do way better than others. They all have the exact same 24 hours. So why is that? Is it talent? No, it's not talent. Is it work ethic? No. Guys, some of these people are out there hustling. They're out there doing their thing, right? That's not usually it. It's something almost nobody teaches. You paying attention? Something almost nobody teaches when you get licensed. And I know this, guys, I'm telling you, it's the difference between chasing clients and attracting opportunities, guys. And today we're going to be talking about the biggest mistake most realtors make in their first 5 years. And that's if they make it that long. And if you fix this one thing, guys, your entire business changes. I mean, would you be up for that? Would this be something powerful and impactful for you if you were able to learn that one thing that you could fix that could completely change your entire business? Guys, that's what we're going to be talking about here today. So welcome welcome to the show, guys. This is your playground guide, Johnny Juan Ortiz here. We are in the Fun Life community, right? This is the Childlike Faith podcast inside the Fun Life community, and this is the podcast for those Christian entrepreneurs who want to grow and scale their business so that they really can achieve the financial freedom they're looking for without sacrificing their time, their family, their faith, or their joy. Guys, we're not gonna go around doing that. And so today we're focusing on Small Business Saturday. We're focusing on the real estate professions. We're focusing on the real estate professionals, the realtors, and that's what we're going to be talking about here. So hang tight. It's just going to be brief, but if you want to engage in the comment section, hey, where are you listening to from? I also want to keep track of, hey, what time are you seeing this? I know many of you don't see it live, you catch it on the replay. So what time are you seeing this? In the comment section, now, help me out. That's going to help me out kind of seeing when most people would be more likely to catch this. So help me out. So here's the lie that most realtors are told, right? This is why we're talking about why most realtors fail in the first 5 years. Most new agents are told, post on social media, right? Call those expired listings, go out and door knock, go run ads. They have you. I'm seeing billboards out there. I'm seeing your faces on park benches. There's all kinds of stuff. But here's the truth: nobody says out loud. Ready? You don't have a lead problem. You know what you got? I'm glad you asked. You have a visibility and a trust problem. A visibility and a trust problem. Here's the thing: the average realtor already knows 300 to 1,000 people. Yet those people still refer business to someone else. I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? You know that one person that is in your sphere of influence that ended up buying or listing a house from someone else. Yes or yes? Yep. Those people still refer business to those other people. Why? Why is that? You want to know why? Because that agent, yes, I'm talking to you right now, that agent never positioned themselves as the expert. And that's what's happening. So here's the thing. I have something called the power base, or I coach on something called the power base. And the fastest way to grow your business is not strangers. It's not. It's your power base. I'm going to give you a hint. They're right there, already in your phone. The people you already know, the people that already like you, the people that already trust you, right? In the book, See You at the Top, or I can't remember if it's Secrets of Closing the Sale, Mr. Ziegler said that there's 5 reasons why people don't buy from you or buy from anybody, right? There's no need, no want, no hurry, no money, or no trust. And guess which one is the biggest one? Right there. It's the trust. Matter of fact, recent studies have shown that people don't even have to know you or like you. They just have to trust that you're going to be able to solve the problem that they have. But here's the key, right? You ready? Most people educate them, not sell them. The moment you become the guide, you got to be able to educate them and not try to sell them. The moment you become the guide instead of the salesperson, the moment you become the advocate, the moment you become their trusted friend in the real estate business, your referrals will multiply. Again, I coach it right out of this book. You can go get the book. You can go get it, 18, $20. Matter of fact, his birthday was yesterday. Big shout out to Bob Bodine. Happy birthday. But I coach right out of this book. Go buy the book. Let me know how it works out for you. Or you can come here and we can teach you the strategies of actually helping you, walking you through it. Because reading the book, if it was just a matter of reading the book, it's one thing. But that's why we tell people all the time, reading or storytelling, even podcasting, this right here, the educational content works pretty good, but people don't remember much further than that. That's why the ads don't work. I say they don't work. They work to a certain extent. I mean, one of the guys that I was recently contracted through, he's got a great ads program. He's a great marketer. Not the well, we won't get into that. He's a great marketer, a really good marketer. Here's the thing, guys. There's a new idea that we're building, and this is going to be helping you directly. So stay tuned because this is going to be something that could take your business to that next level, or better yet, will take your business to that next level. And I'm working on something right now that I believe is going to change the game for those real estate professionals and the entrepreneurs. It's a platform that helps professionals like you, right, share their stories, build authority, educate the audience, and generate referrals naturally. You want to know what's the biggest problem that I see in real estate professionals right now is that they are out there buying these third-party recycle leads. And what's happening is they're not any good. I know. I've worked them. I had a little referral program with a real estate agent or a real estate broker who gave me all of their leads, and I would work them. I'd call them. I'd connect with them. I'd text them. I'd email them. I'd shoot them a video. I'd shoot them a voice note. I did all kinds of stuff. And these people weren't ready. Just look, these were not qualified leads. These were just people that wanted to see the listing and they were nowhere close. So yeah, I mean, you can follow up, you can put them in your drip campaign. There's a lot of marketing things that you could do with them. But I'm telling you guys, if you will do what I'm about to teach you, you will start getting deals almost immediately. So think of it as marketing that actually feels human, right? We're making marketing human again. So because people don't hire logos, they hire people they trust. And that's what we're talking about here. So the lead generation workshop that we've been working on, right? We're hosting this lead generation workshop. It's going to be closer to the end of March. We've had to move it a couple of times. But here's the thing, it's specifically designed for realtors and entrepreneurs. And so we're going to show you how to activate that power base that we keep talking about. We're going to show you how to position yourself as the expert, how to create content that attracts those referrals, and how to build a pipeline that doesn't rely on cold chasing, on cold calling, guys. Because the goal isn't to survive in business, right? That wasn't why you started this business in the first place. That's not why you went out and got licensed. That's not why you went through the hours that it took to get your real estate license or your course or your certification or whatever it is that you do. The goal is to build something that gives you freedom, right? One of my friends says that your business exists for one reason and one reason only, and that's to be able to achieve your life's goals. So comment again. I want you to comment. If this has resonated with you, I want you to comment down in the comment section the word playground, because we're building a business playground where entrepreneurs, real estate professionals can learn how to grow and scale and enjoy the journey, right? The joy is in the journey. And if this sounds like the kind of room that you want to be in, guys, don't hesitate. Shoot me the word playground down below, right? Let's talk about it. Let's sit there and figure out a way to work together and support one another's businesses. Because did you know that this is a little Pedro's fun fact? We retired Pedro. He's no longer on the show. But here's the thing. He always brings me great fun facts. And he says that the average person knows about 600 people personally. Now imagine what happens when just 5% of those people start referring business to you. Guys, that's 30 referral sources. Not bad, right? Simply learning how to show up consistently. So your business was never meant to feel like the TV show Survivor. It wasn't. It was meant to feel like you were doing something on purpose and for a purpose, right? And if you combine that faith, that childlike faith that we're always talking about, right? That strategy, and then you bring in community. You guys know I'm huge. I'm huge on community. That's what I love about everybody that comes together, because this person knows 600 people. This person knows another 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 600 people, right? That's the thing. It's not what's important is not that how this person knows 600 people, is that this person's 600 people knows another 600 people. Guys, this is where you start to really go viral, right? Amazing things happen when you start to bring in, right, that the law of reciprocity, the law of intent. So remember what Proverbs 16:3 says: commit thy works to the Lord, and your plans will be established. So this is your referral source number one, referral source number two, three, four, five, and you only need a handful of really good qualified referrals, and they're already in your phone. Guys, that's the kind of stuff that we're going to be teaching at the lead generation workshop. So if that's you're gonna want to comment the word playground down in the comment section, and I will invite you to this workshop. Matter of fact, we've got some special pricing going on, but you've got to DM me and make sure that this is for you guys. So for those of you just joining us, again, we try to keep these to about 15 minutes or so. So I'll do a brief recap, right? On this show, we talked about why most realtors don't fail because they're not good at their job, right? Because they're bad. No, they fail because nobody ever taught them how to stay top of mind awareness with the people who already trust them. Let that sink in for just a moment, guys. The average person, we just talked about the fun fact, the average person knows 600 people, yet many agents are still chasing strangers for business. I mean, so what if the real opportunity has been sitting in your phone this whole time, guys? So, and today, something to smile about Saturday, Realtor Edition, right? I wanted to break down the biggest mistake most realtors make in their first 5 years. A lot of them don't even make it past the first two or three. And so, why we talked about why your power base is your most overlooked lead source, and how storytelling and visibility build trust faster than cold prospecting, and the new idea, the new platform that we're building to help you grow and scale your business, right? Specifically designed for real estate professionals, but it also works for entrepreneurs. If you're a business owner, hey, DM me the word playground. I want to be able to visit with you. And if anything else, guys, I'm curious, because this is going to be the bonus question. If you're a realtor, entrepreneur, business owner, and you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, again, comment me the word playground, or shoot me a DM, and I'll send you the details about the upcoming lead generation workshop towards the end of March. And I want to help you turn your network into your best source of referrals, right? Because here's the thing. Here's a bonus question. Johnny One, how can we best support the work that you do? You know what? Really, A, hit the like button, hit the heart button, B, comment down below so it helps with the algorithm so more people see it. C, share this post with your sphere of influence, send it to somebody directly, or D, all of the above. The best way to support the group is D, all of the above. That was not a trick question, guys. Here's the real question I want to ask you guys. How many people And whoever comments, the most people down in the comment section, I'm gonna give you a complimentary coaching strategy session. People have paid anywhere upwards of $500 for that hour. I'll give you an hour and a half complimentary coaching strategy session. In the comment section, how many contacts are currently in your phone? If you have an iPhone, just go to your contacts, open it up, go to the very bottom, down below, uh, past the last number, and there's 2,385 contacts in my phone right now. Again, the average person knows about 600 people, but so I try to keep everybody's phone number in there. But again, if only 1% of those people started referring me business, what would happen? So go and do the math, right? Those of you that answer that question down below, whoever has the most, I will call you and connect with you and give you a complimentary coaching strategy session, guys. Again, thank you guys for joining me. Appreciate you. Hey, listen, this has been the Childlike Faith podcast for Christian entrepreneurs who want to grow and scale their business to be able to achieve the financial freedom they're looking for without having to sacrifice their time, their family, their faith, or their joy. And so if you're ready to stop playing around and start ready to level up, if you're a realtor, entrepreneur, instead of learning how to activate your network and generate more referrals, comment the word below and we'll help you figure it out together. Because again, I'll send you the information up to our upcoming lead generation workshop, and stop trying to figure it out your own, right? Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. We've already got the framework needed to help you grow and scale your business. Again, comment down below how many people are in your contacts, and whoever has the most, I will give you a complimentary strategy coaching session. You don't have to buy anything from me. Just want to make sure that I help you grow and scale your business. That's part of my give back to you guys. Again, thank you for joining me. Appreciate you. Hey, this has been your playground guide, Johnny Juan Ortiz, here in the Fun Life community on the Childlike Faith podcast for all of you Christian entrepreneurs, real estate agents, professionals that want to grow and scale your business so that you really can achieve the financial freedom you're looking for without having to sacrifice your time, your family, your faith, or your joy. Hey, join me next week as we keep unpacking this lead generation workshop and this concept of helping you build and grow and scale your business. Adios.